dining rooms. I'll take you through here, the Belvedere bar. It's just like a little chill area. You can sit here and relax. Here's the dining room that we've been eating. We ate here, and there's another one called Hudson's. Hudson's is up on 8, basically up here. But this is the Belvedere bar, and pretty Christmas tree. And here's Cagney's. It's the steakhouse. So this is an upcharge, specialty dining. But I've heard good things about it, but we didn't book this. We're gonna do the teppanyaki so we can compare it to carnivals and MSCs, which we loved. MSC's teppanyaki, it was a blast. Anyway, let's see what they got for dinner tonight. That's why I came up here. All right, here we go. We've got all this stuff pretty much stays the same, and same with this, stays the same. And then you got the features, so something different down here. Brownie s'mores, pork ribs, bratwurst, rigatoni primavera. I have no idea what a almond crusted hoagie is. I'm gonna have to look that up. What's a hoagie? I know it's a fish because it says fish, but what kind of fish is it? Delicate whitefish. Does that mean it's good? Anywho, here we go. Last eaten in the dining room the last couple nights has been really good. And it's been really fast. Usually on some of the cruises it takes freaking forever, but anyway, we're going to give it a shot tonight.